channel. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a girl like you. So if you're interested in knowing how to make a girl more attracted to you, then please keep watching this video. Yeah, I just thought I'd do a fun, simple, quick, lovely little video for you guys that is kind of like in my old style type of videos. So yeah, if you want to figure out how to seduce a girl, then keep watching this video. So my first tip is to be yourself. So I personally think it's so much better to make a girl fall in love with the real you rather than make them fall in love with somebody who isn't who you truly are. Because at the end of the day, a relationship is about building a lasting connection where you can flourish and you can grow together. So it doesn't really matter if a girl does reject you, because that leaves a window of opportunity for many other girls to come and talk to you and like be with you. So yeah, well, pick one girl, like don't be a cheat. Yeah, so be yourself, don't create a fake persona, don't try to be somebody that you're not. Make the girl fall in love with the real you, because it will make a lasting relationship which you will cherish and love forever. And I think that's what life is about, like trying to find that one person who you can cherish and like love infinitely. So yeah, I just really love the idea of loving someone forever and being with one person forever. So yeah, that's something that I like I want to be with one man for like all of eternity. Yeah. Be a gentleman. The more kind-hearted you are, the more you will be attractive to her. So yeah, it's all about like giving yourself a classy persona, so making yourself appear very classy and gentlemanly. So like you can do little things to make her find you more gentlemanly. So like opening the door for her, like pulling the chair out for her, kissing her on the hand, like stuff like that. Little stuff like that is really attractive. It actually pulls a girl more close to you. Like it gives her that kind of sense that you're confident and you're willing to be open and actually step up to your game and like be the man that you are, be a man to her. Also, I personally think it's really important to have a man who can make you laugh. So like a guy who is kind of like too serious or like maybe too nerdy and boring, kind of like that. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with nerds. I think nerds are beautiful, don't get me wrong. But like you actually have to make her laugh, like make her feel happy and joyful inside. Compliment her, tell her that her hair looks nice or she has pretty eyes. Like that's a really good thing to say to get her to be more attracted to you. Be very complimentative and show that you are a real man who can like step up to his game and be a gentleman. Because I personally feel like the people who are more like gentlemanly are way more attractive than people who are like, you know, F-boys. Because like, I don't know, like being a player, like girls fall for that, but like it's not really something that will commit to making a long-lasting relationship in your life. So like you shouldn't give off that like I don't care kind of vibe. Give her a really gentlemanly, classy type of vibe, because that will attract her so much more. So something really cute that you can do for her that will definitely make her more attracted to you is like pulling out her chair, like I said earlier, like at a restaurant, opening the door for her, like the car door or like the front door. Like those are classy and very attractive things to do. You can kiss her on the hand. That is so romantic. Like that is the nicest thing that a guy that a girl likes can do for her. So yeah, do sweet things like that. Also give her your jacket and hold her bag, because that will show her that you're a keeper. She'll be like, wow, this is so sweet. Like girls like that. Okay, I think this one is really important to attracting a girl. And I think if you are going for a more classy lady or somebody who has more like status in their kind of like aura or like persona, they are very classy. I personally think you really need to be clean. So like when I say be clean, I mean literally don't sleep around with loads of different girls and be that kind of like F-boy. I think that is so like, I don't know, like being such a teen. Like that's just not the way that you should go about things. You should be a clean man and like, you know, be clean and tidy in yourself, like how you dress and the way you look, like shave and stuff like that. Make sure your face looks good for her. And yeah, so you shouldn't sleep around or be the kind of person to flirt with every girl out there, because you are sending off an energy that you are not really interested in her, and it will throw her off. So I think that's a really important one for guys. If you are looking for a girl who is more loyal or more like classy, then you should actually embody that in yourself. You should embody being loyal to like her. Like, I personally think it's really cute when like there's a girl and a guy and they have a crush only on each other and they don't want to crush on anyone else, they just want each other. Like, I like that kind of vibe. I think you should go for someone that you want to, you know, build a lasting connection with, somebody that you can be clean with and be loyal to, because I think that's nice. I don't know, I think there's so many guys out there who are so unloyal to their wives and like to like their girlfriends, and it just sucks. Like, I don't even see the point in having a relationship if you're not going to be loyal to that person. So yes, if you are looking for more of a classy, kind of interesting type of girl who is cool and more like somebody you can have more of a connection with, then you should definitely be loyal as possible to her, as loyal as you can be. I don't know, I'm not into the F-boy energy. I completely agree with girls when they say that nice guys are the best. Okay, I think this one is super important for you guys to hear, and do not be too pushy on her sexually. So like, don't push yourself onto her and be like, ooh, I want to be with you like in a sexual way. Try be more like platonic, sort of. Remember, don't be too boring though. Kissing is cute, and you can kiss her on the hand or do a simple cute little gesture like that, like kiss her on the cheek or something. I personally feel like that's a really sweet thing for a guy to do. I prefer a man with a beautiful personality, but honestly you should like moisturize your skin or shave or, you know, wear cologne, do something that's gonna make you look and smell good, because that's actually something that girls would be interested in. Not gonna lie, I'm the kind of girl who gets unattracted to guys who check other women out. So like in the past I've been in a relationship where my man would check another woman out, and that would really upset me. Like, personally I think it's really best to have a guy who can actually be loyal to you. So remember, don't check out other women, focus on the one girl that you like, because it will definitely be worth it if you actually get her. So yeah, or get with her, you know. Yeah, that would be better and so much more awesome, because you actually have the one woman that you're interested in rather than a bunch of other women that are like, you know, not what you want. So like, go for that one woman that you're interested in, but like, be as loyal as you can to her. Listen to her problems and queries with intent. So like, when she's upset, give her a hug, comfort her, give her food and snacks. Like, when she's on her period, make her feel good. Like, do cute things for her that will make her attracted to you. So like, something that you should do is when she's sad, be there for her, because I'm sure that this would attract guys as well. So yeah, but yeah, I'm sure this would attract guys as well if you're like the kind of person who's actually going to be there for them when they're sad and make them feel good and make them feel comforted and happy, because that is like a really good way to bond with someone. Just to be there for them when they're sad. Like, that's a really lovely way to make somebody attracted to you. Show interest in her personality and interests. So yes, like, be complimentary of her looks, but like also compliment her personality, make her feel good about who she is. I feel like that is a real game changer. The last but best tip that I can offer you is treat her like you would your cat or your dog. Yeah, whichever animal that suits you best, whichever animal you have, treat her like that. Treat her like so, with such affection and love. Like me. Treat her like you would your cat. Like, treat her like you would me. Like, pet me and stroke me on the head and play with my hair. Ooh, that's another good thing. Play with her hair. I'm sure she would really like that. Thank you boys for watching this video, and girls, if you wanted to watch this video anyway, if you wanted to make a girl attracted to you, like, girls can watch this video too, you know. I'm not like biased. Like, if you are a girl and want to make a girl attracted to you, then awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and yeah, peace and love. And yeah, I'm doing really well, by the way. I am just busy getting on with my life, cleaning my house, and I'm going to Winter Wonderland this year, so yeah. And I'm going to be doing some Christmassy things in London, so make sure to check out my Instagram and my Twitter and Facebook, because I will be uploading on there things that I do when I go out and different things that I do in my life. So yeah, just please go check out my social media, and also check out my Cameo if you would like a personalized video from me, or if you would like to chat to me personally. That would be awesome. Anyway, yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Anyway, peace and love. Mwah! Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I upload a YouTube video. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Sorry, by the way, if my voice is a little bit croaky in this video. It's just because I've been ill for a little while now. It sucks. I was really ill. But yeah, I'm better now, but my throat is still a little bit on the low side. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye! Mwah.